Are you ready to discover the best affiliate marketing strategy that will set you up for unparalleled success? Look no further, because in this groundbreaking video, we're going to unveil the ultimate blueprint that will revolutionize your affiliate marketing game. Get ready to learn the most effective strategy, tactic, and insider secrets that will not only maximize your earning potential, but ensure your long-term growth and sustainability in the dynamic world of affiliate marketing. In an era where competition is fierce and the digital landscape is ever evolving, it's crucial to have a solid game plan that sets you apart from the rest. The best affiliate marketing strategy is not just about finding quick wins, it's about building a sustainable business. Now, before we dive into the specifics of this game-changing strategy, let me share a quick and exclusive opportunity with you. If you're eager to fast-track your results and access the best affiliate marketing strategy, click the link below. It's an amazing, valuable resource that will provide you with step-by-step secrets to apply today. But without further ado, I want to break down today's strategy so you can start with something and start to create results as soon as possible. Step number one is we want to go to clickbank.com and sign up. Now, signing up on clickbank.com allows you to gain access to a vast marketplace of products that you can promote and earn commissions from. Now, when signing up, it's important to provide accurate information to ensure a smooth registration. Now, the second step is we want to find a product that you're happy to promote. Take your time to explore the wide range of products available on ClickBank and select one that aligns with your interests and expertise. Choosing a product that genuinely excites you will make it easier to create engaging content and connect with your audience authentically. Now, once you've done that, the third step is we want to click the promote button, generate hop links, and copy these links. These are our specific affiliate links that we'll get credit for whenever we send someone through those links and they buy, allowing us to earn income. Now, once you've identified a product and you get this hop link, what we want to do is save this somewhere handy because it's very, very important. Now, the next step is we want to go to bit.ly.com and paste in the link. Now, bit.ly.com is a popular URL shortening service that allows you to create shorter, more manageable links. So go ahead, visit there, shorten the link, and then it also becomes more attractive. Now, we want to copy this new shortened link from bit.ly, and we want to actually promote this when we go out there and start to get clicks to our link. Now, after that, we want to go to Linktree and create an account. Now, Linktree is a powerful tool that allows you to create a customized page with multiple links embedded. Now, once you do that, you want to paste your links and you want to add a title. You want to actually put in that underneath this title so you can go ahead and start to generate commissions. Then you want to click share and copy your link. After you've added your links and provided titles, get your link from Linktree. Now, this allows you to actually have one link that will promote multiple offers. Next is we want to go to twitter.com and we want to create an account if you don't already have one. Now, make sure you choose a username and a handle that align with your brand or your niche. Once you do that, set up your profile by putting your link in your bio. Take the time to optimize your profile, adding a profile picture, a cover photo, and an impactful bio. Now, you can tweet and you can put your link inside of that tweet. Now, as you establish your presence on Twitter, make sure to create engaging tweets related to the niche and the product you're promoting. This allows you to get tons and tons of targeted clicks to that affiliate link, allowing you to have commissions coming in. Now, that concludes this specific guide on this affiliate marketing strategy. By doing this, you'll have keys to unlock remarkable success with this specific method. Now, if you found this helpful though, and you want to go further, click the link below to discover my #1 easiest and fastest way to make daily affiliate commissions. Do that now, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.